Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create email template in Salesforce. All right. First up, you're going to want to go to your contacts right here and select this contact. For example, my wife right here. All right. So what we're going to do is to create a template. Just go ahead and click on this email icon. Now compose your email. For example, the subject right here would be thank you. All right. Thank you. Now email. Thank you for joining us. Just for example. All right. If you want to add in some attachments, just go ahead and do so. Upload right here and upload your particular attachment. For example, this one. All right. In order to make this particular email a template, just go ahead and click on this icon. As you can see, besides the visibility icon, all right, right here, insert, create, or update template. Just go ahead and click on it and click on save as new template. All right. That's going to require us to enter the template name. For example, thank you, description, thanks for joining us, template. All right. If you want to save it as private, just leave this section as is. If you want to share it, go ahead and click on select folder and select the folders that are necessary. All right. Hit on save. Now, say for example, you wanted to send that particular mail or template. Click on a new mail right here. And click on the same icon. Right here, as you can see, we have the thank you template. Just click on it and it will just automatically load and you can just send it. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.